look like my cousin.
Yo, what's up, gang? I watched you grow.
They're above us. Oh, they're in the wall. Oh my God, get us out. I can't. I don't like this.
Hide spaces?
Oh, I should have went to Disney World. They're scratching the sides of the wall.
Hey, gang. Scratch it if you know if you're here.
Oh my God.
Hello, gang. You're so cute, Corn. Thank you.
Here we're going for the rat trap. Alright, Spooky, let's get in there. Oh, I literally can't see anything here. Absolutely pitch black.
Yeah, you like.
Bro, why are y'all scared? It's not that we scared. Somebody keeps up with my shoes and I'll hire me.
I can't see anything. Can't see anything.